Let's see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is Tata Steel Limited. In daily chart you can clearly spot a support level, and you can see that multiple times in the session the support level is reached. We'll go to an hourly chart to understand more intricate price movement. Just see this rally. It went up, it came down, and the second rally did not even cross 25% of the first rally, and the third rally just matched the second rally, which means that the buyers are unwilling to buy in Tata Steel at particular price point. If you just look at this particular structure over here, I'll draw it. The support level is not strong. It has been touched multiple times. So in tomorrow's session, we could see a movement till this point. If you see any movement below 402, then you can take sell side position in Tata Steel. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is TVS Motor. You can clearly spot the resistance over here. At the same time, you can also draw a trend line. So if TVS Motors can break trend line in tomorrow's session, the target should be this high point. So we could see a drastic movement in the tune of 20 points. If you want to know all the important levels we just discussed in the video for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. Third stock for tomorrow's session is Havells India. Just look at this particular rally. It went up, then due to profit booking it went down, again it went up. In all this particular price structure, it was making higher highs and lower low, which means that the momentum in the stock is largely at the buyer's side, which means it is a riding on bullish momentum. So in tomorrow's session, you see this particular resistance getting matched. We'll go to a weekly chart to understand how far this particular momentum can last. So this is the resistance level over here, and I expect this should act as a stellar resistance in upcoming session. So there is a long way to go for Havells India to stop this bullish momentum. You might see a smaller bearish candle here and there, but largely the momentum is bullish on all possible day in at least a week or two. Second stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. It was in our today's pick as well. The reason for that is when you see a consolidation going on near the highest point, or rather peak on a stock, which means that the market participants are trying to comprehend the situation. The sellers are not in colossal quantity to push the price down. At the same time, buyers are not willing to go at full tilt to push the price up. The more the stock consolidate over here, the more chances of it going up. In today's session, it did manage to break this resistance, but due to profit booking it fall down. So in tomorrow's session we could see this particular high getting reached. Let's see what happens.